Hi, I'm Luke Muller and today I'm going to show you a walkthrough on a fully automated feeding system. This is the very start of the automated feeding system. As you can see with these shuttles on their charger, we've got another one here returning from its previous feed. These are single phase charging stations and all the chargers start here of a morning and go back here after a feed. The system chooses the shuttle with the most power to then go to the next run when it's called across to the batching station. So here we are at the automated batching station. This is where the shuttle comes under to receive its feed mix. It's also got a 3-phase charging station here that it utilises while it's being loaded. There's multiple different ways that this shuttle's loaded. It's either via the silo and the auger, the oil tank and pump, the molasses tank and pump, or by the My ports behind me that load via the conveyor. Depending on the ration, the mix generally takes 10 to 15 minutes, which then the shuttle proceeds onto its feed route. From here, we will proceed to show you the shuttles leaving the batching station and feeding into sheds A and B. As you see, we've got shuttle number 1 here, coming along shed A. It's pushing the feed along to the side of the trough. Also behind me, we've got shuttles 2 and 3, finishing off their feed run on shed B, and then they'll go back to their charging station. Shuttle 2 here has to skirt down and pushing that feed across, while also delivering a fresh new lot of feed on top. We've got a nice even feed all the way along the pen. On the console on each shuttle, it shows you the progress of the feed, the battery life, and also where it's up to within its cycle. If you'd like to know more about our automated feed systems, please get in touch with our Greenline sales team.